Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and I want to wish everybody out there a happy Thanksgiving. And I want to thank everybody that was new to the channel, that's subscribed, that's hitting that like button, because we just hit 300 subscribers and we're climbing. So I'm happy to see that as well. Happy to build up a community of people that we can share knowledge and grow and trade cryptos and and help one another benefit and get this money, because at the end of the day, that's what this is all about, trying to help each other increase each other's value of life and make some profits along the way. Now with that being said, today I want to talk to y'all about crypto.com once again. VVS Finance, give y'all an update because now we finally have a pullback on crypto.com, aka CRO, and that seems to be affecting VVS Finance, which is not necessarily a bad thing, because if you're looking at debt buying opportunities, we could have a better opportunity to get in on CRO and VVS Finance as well. Now, since we did hit 300 subscribers today, I'm a man of my word. So when I come up here and talk to you about these coins, I did ask some VVS Finance since the video was doing well. I said, you know what? It's only right that if I'm on here talking about this and the video is doing well, I'm going to ask some VVS Finance, ask them yesterday. So with that being said, I added some yesterday and it's down today. I'm still okay. It doesn't bother me. I'm prepared for this. That was a long-term hold for me until that thing absolutely starts printing, because I understand that it's in the early stages. The market cap right now, let me go to that for y'all just to show y'all real quick. The market cap right now is 53 million. Yesterday it was 66 million. So it's 53 million. Now, this was one that I don't feel like I have to add a bunch up at this level, because it's still early. You can get much for a very, very cheap price. So I can just add to this one slowly, because it hasn't had its momentum run yet. It has to pick a direction and see where it wants to go. But at this level, this is a risk I'm willing to take. And since we have a lot of people that likes this, and I'm out here making videos on it and talking about it, it's only right that I be in it and not just leading y'all astray. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's go back to CRO, and we can see today we're having a pullback. Now it has some serious rejection at $1, and now it's at about 78 cents trading. I told y'all to expect that. I said, if you're gonna play this at these levels, make sure it's a momentum trade. Make sure you have your stop losses tight, because when this thing starts to pull back, it will, because people will take profits. What goes up must come down, and this thing was starting to get very, very parabolic. Now I do not think this thing is done going up past $1. I do think it will go past $1. It pretty much hit it. If we break through here, this level of resistance, if we get through here, we maybe can see $1.50, or it can actually maybe go to $2. Who knows? But it needs to break past $1 first. Now, in the meantime, it's giving you an opportunity to get in at a cheaper price. So, and based on the chart, I could go as low as about 43 cents, about 40 cents. I don't think it'll go that low. I don't think it'll hit that level right now. But I do think, if you can get it in the 50-cent range, 60-cent range, in between this range, that wouldn't be too bad of a dip buy if it comes down that low. But if it decides it wants to consolidate up here and then stay and form a new support level, then that's a-okay. That's fine. I just play the break again, but it is providing a dip buying opportunity. So if you want to slowly add some of this to your account to have some CRO coin, so you don't feel like you're missing out, or you do want to have it for long term, I do feel like this is a good coin to have long term, especially with all the hype that crypto.com is getting. Like I said, they always constantly seem to be getting all the newest cryptocurrencies first. They're listing them quickly. They're not taking as long as it is to get to Coinbase. They're faster than Coinbase. They're faster than Robinhood. And that is a very big step, especially in this game of cryptocurrency, because you need to be early to get those massive gains. You need to be early to get those massive gains. And as you can see here, once he got listed on Coinbase, this thing absolutely ran, but it was already on crypto.com. It's his own coin. So you had a chance to be in even earlier than that. And that's what crypto.com is providing, in my opinion. Now, as far as VVS finances go, like I said, we're at that $53 million market cap. Right now it's pulling back some. I've added to that, so I'm going to add some more as if this thing continues to go down. I'll add some more. It's not a problem with me. $53 million market cap in the cryptocurrency space is not that much at all. It's not that much, especially compared to these other coins. Bitcoin is what, a trillion. Dogecoin is at 30 million. If you look at PancakeSwap, that's something more similar to VVS Finance. So we'll go to PancakeSwap. It's another DEX, a decentralized exchange. And as you can see, this is rank number 54. This has a $3 billion market cap. $3 billion market cap. So that's absolutely insane compared to VVS Finance. Because if you pull out the calculator, right? Let's pull out our calculator. Let's do 53 million times 100. That'll give you 5.3 billion. So they give you a little less than double what Pancake Swap is. So that's if it goes up 100 times. Now, if we assume all this goes up, continues to go up, it could be even higher than 100 times. That's just to get to Pancake Swap level, right? And then you have to keep in mind it's backed and supported by Crypto.com, which I showed in my video yesterday. So that has a lot of support behind it. Definitely a lot of people can have some exposure to that, especially with as quick as Crypto.com absolutely grew and exploded and blew up. I mean, it is the name of the Staples Center now, where the Lakers play. It is already the name of where this Lakers play. You know what I'm saying? So that's a very big deal, in my opinion. And I definitely can get behind anything, another coin that Crypto.com is supporting, seeing as how their team was able to market that and come and grow that so quickly. I mean, think about how long Coinbase has been around. Coinbase has been around for a very, very long time. It's been popular for a long time. But Crypto.com seemingly just kind of came up out of the blue and just took over. I mean, you cut on the NBA game, you see Crypto.com on the courts, you see it on people's jerseys sometimes. It's all over the place. They got commercials. The marketing for Crypto.com is absolutely insane. It is much more aggressive than Coinbase. So, you know, anything that they get behind, they supporting VVS Finance, I'm with it. I'm with it. Now, it makes sense that VVS Finance is coming down with CRO, aka Crypto.com. So that's not to be worried about. To me, it's just going to give us a Black Friday deal, Black Friday sale. What goes up must come down. So when this thing seems like it wants to reverse, at that point, it may be a time to get in at better level. But at these levels right here for CRO, you know, this is what I will watch out for. If it breaks below here, then we'll definitely keep your eye on it. But if you also want to look at another chart, not just Coinbase, because, you know, obviously it wasn't on Coinbase as long, we can go to KuCoin as well. And as you can see, like I said, yeah, at that same 40-cent level is honestly where the good, I would say, is the good support is for us, you know, for us to get in. But if it doesn't, it can slowly add down below. But that's where the more aggressive buyers will be at. Now, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video, this update. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Until next time, Densky out.